deep in the shadows, I know.
So, hi guys! Ayun, nandito na ako sa bahay. Kadarating ko lang. Lakas na ulan dito ngayon sa Singapore. Dumaan ako kanina sa bahay ng biyanong ko, ng aking mother-in-law, kasi meron daw siyang ibibigay na ulam sa amin. Ayan. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Ito guys. Ito ang tinatawag na gonggong. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa sa Tagalog. Pero dito sa Singapore, ang tawag ng mga Chinese dito ay gonggong. Hindi ko alam bakit gonggong. Tapos ayan pa. May binigay pa siyang chicken. Ayan. Ganito yung chicken adobo sa kanila, guys. Ayan. Wala siyang wala siyang suka. As in, purong lang siya, purong soya sauce, dark soya sauce. Ayan. Meron pa sa ilalim yan. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Ayun! Isda. O, diba? Yan. So, ayan yung binigay ng aking biyanan. Sobrang love na love ako ng aking biyanan. Yan. Ayaw niya ako maggutom. Yan. Itong favorite ko. Actually, favorite ko lahat ng niluluto ng biyanan ko. Ayan. Ayan guys, lahat ng niluluto ng biyanan ko, promise, favorite ko talaga. Simple lang siya magluto, pero ang sarap, grabe. Ang sarap talaga niya magluto. Ako naman, tapos nagluto ako ng spaghetti. Ayan. Ito yung spaghetti na niluto ko. Ayan. Kakatapos ko ng actually, Filipino recipe to. Ayan. May, jumbo hotdog from Philippines. Ayan. Gusto ng mga bata ng spaghetti, so nag-spaghetti ako. Ayan. Ito yung spaghetti. Kakaluto ko lang siya. Hindi ko na muna siya inalisa sa lalagyan kasi para mainit siya mamaya. Tapos, ayan si Daddy. Nagluto ko siya ng rice. Dito ko nang niluto yung rice, hindi na sa rice cooker. Ayan. Ninaan ko na lang muna siguro siya. O, lakasan natin para mabilis maluto. Papahinga muna ako saglit. Saglit lang. At mamaya susundo na ako ng kids. Kasi baka hindi, parang yun. Maulan dito ngayon eh. Sana makaabot si Daddy kasi kakaalis lang niya ng office. So, alas 6. Mga 6:30 siguro nasa school na siya. Eh, medyo maulan. Magdadala ako ng payong sa school ng mga kids. By the way, nag-upgrade kami ng fish tank. Ayan. Yung, ko namatay, yung dalawang si Pamela tsaka si Pomelo ko namatay siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit namatay. Mag 2 weeks o 3 weeks na yata siya sa amin. Namatay lang sila kahapon. Nagpalit kami ng ganito, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung dahil basta malakas yung yung bugan ng tubig na yun. Ayun. Tapos eto, bumili kami ng mga ganyan. Maliliit. Gusto ko kasi medyo colorful talaga yung mga fish. Para masaya silang tignan. Ayan, malaki yan, guys. Ayan. Tapos, ang kagandahan sa kanya, meron na siyang ilaw doon. Diba? Para na siyang 2-in-1. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo aming lugar. Ayan yung ibaba namin. Nasa 6th floor kami. So, ayun yung ginagawang building. Malapit na siyang matapos. So, ayan. Lagyan natin yung ating rice. Mainit. Okay, luto na siya. Okay. Doon na tayo ng kids. Ay, buhay nanay. Diba? After ng magluto, after ng work, sundo naman tayo. Ayan. Buti na fresh pa rin tayo. Fresh pa rin. Yan, samahan niyo ako sumundo sa mga bata. So, ayan guys. Buti na lang talaga malapit lang yung school dito sa bahay. Tsaka, mabilis tayo magluto. Yan, samahan niyo ako sumunod sa mga kids. Okay guys, malapit na tayo sa school ng mga bata. Alam nyo ba na ang kagandahan dito sa Singapore, ang student care dito 7 to 7, 7 AM hanggang 7 PM ng gabi. Pero kapag yung nag-ano ka, over ka kahit ng 7:01, kailangan mong magbayad ng $5. Yun, kasi yung teacher maghihintay sa'yo. Kaya anong oras ka dumating, okay lang yun. Basta magbabayad ka. Yun. Pero ang alam po sa child care, dinededuct yun. Dinededuct every month kung halimbawa over ka ng ng 1 time, 2 time, ayan. Pero ang mas mahal ang child care kesa sa student care dito. Tsaka mas mura dito ang tuition fee ng mga primary or ng elementary kesa sa tuition fee ng mga preschool. Ganyan, yung mga daycare, nursery, mas mahal sila. So, ayan, nasundo ko na yung 2 kids. Say hello to vlog.
Hello.
Ayan. Oh, yung binili namin na ni Bunso, nawala siya. So, ayan. Buti hindi ko pa ito tinapon. Yan, gamit niya yung old na lunchbox niya. Hello, Bunso.
Hello.
How was your day?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
Happy today?
Yeah.
Same mommy also.
The playground.
Of course na. It's raining. How can you play inside? Later all the people wear it. Yeah. Where's Daddy? Daddy, oh! Oh, nakakita kami ng bird. Ayun siya, oh. Diba? Oh! Ayun na siya sa kabila. Lumipad na siya.
I saw you draw on the floor just now. I thought you screwed up.
Ayun si Daddy. Don't run, ah.
Oh yeah, Daddy!
Ayun si Daddy. Ayan, kita niyo ba si Daddy? Ayun, naka-red shirt siya. Yun. Kapo, Titi. Don't run to Coco. Good.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Tingin.
So, ayan, ito, magandang partner dito. Chili and lime.
Daddy,
Yan.
Mommy. What's it? Syrup in English?
Which one?
Syrup in English.
Giraffe?
Sarap.
Syrup? Delicious.
You don't know, man?
Delicious. Or how should...
Tasty. 好吃 is in Chinese.
How to...
Did you get back your Chinese?
So, ayan, sabi ni Daddy, bukas lang namin ito
You get back your
kakainin.
Chinese things there?
Mr. Thomas,
How much is?
Thank you.
How much? How much
My
more you
phone
got?
is 85.
Yours is 85. Okay. Got it there? Hmm?
I checked, but I don't know.
Ha?
Pass or fail?
I think 5.
No, got DD.
41, 42? Why you don't know?
Where's your tissue paper now? Inside the bag?
In my phone.
How is it the hot dog?
Okay, later I check, huh?
In my phone. Sorry, in my phone.
How is it, Kuya? Good?
Yup.
You put some meat inside.
It's a beef.
Look. Bolognese.
Tututpik nyo siya, tapos ayun. Ayun, yun lang yung
Bro.
ayun, yun yung kakainin niyo. Okay, tapos inidip nyo siya dito.
Is it dry snails?
Sa maanghang.
Can
Ayan.
you
Tapos,
eat it?
kakainin
Is
niyo
it
siya.
edible?
Hindi ko.
I mean, Daddy, is it edible?
Yan. Tapos alisin ninyo yung,
What did you drop?
yan, yung matigas na yun.
Oh, there's still some more. This is
siya.
double.
Yeah.
This is a snail.
Nagaan yung zoom niya.
No, yeah. This okay na.
Tapos,
Mommy and Daddy are eating snails.
then,
Ew!
huwag yung kakainin yun. Hindi dapat yung nakain matigas na yun. Tapos, ididip mo yan siya ganyan.
Ew. The black phone game?
The game and
Phone?
how then?
Give me a
Ah.
Remember the cow,
What called?
the momo,
The
the
mama
momo cow,
one. Huh?
the games.
Yeah. So are you gonna bring us down?
You all then try this one. You try one and I bring you there
Bring us where?
tomorrow to play the game.
No. What? Okay, don't do it. It's next time. Next time. It's a holiday. Am I
Yeah,
going
you
to
have a
stay in
robotic.
Nana's house? A holiday? Then I'm going to stay in Nana's house.
No, you have a holiday.
After holidays?
No, you have a robotics also.
Then when I can stay in Nana's house?
When Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, this one's so difficult. I think I'll do fresh.
Mom, Saturday, Sunday, can we invite Teacher Annie and Teacher Mary? And Naina,
Saturday.
Yaya, Uncle Daddy.
So,
The beach. Uncle Boo, remember we going beach?
no, with Uncle Boo there.
Uncle Boo, that's like teach me
Uncle
some.
Boo not every time available, you know.
Okay, we have what?
Hey, this one empty.
It's very hard.
Then I need to bring my octopus. Octopus later got steal by a crab. And I bring in the ocean.
Remember the wave?
Yeah?
Later the wave was wash your
Wash your-
thing away, then you don't cry. Hey, you break the head already, is it?
No, I never touched the thing.
You got nothing.
Can I help? I got eat your veggie.
Sarap.
Nothing inside.
One more already.
That was a honey crab shell.
You eat first, Emily?
Is this a sneeze now? And you know why? You know why no more? We only need the wooden cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah, continue lang
Almost
natin.
finished na. Not enough.
Yeah, lang daw pa. You can finish 1 kg of this one.
No.
Sobrang sarap.
2-3 kilo also okay na. Diba? I think if you want, you can take, after you cook, you take out the meat and then you go and fry some more chili.
Stomach chili, what's that? Today is the best day ever.
As lamang, bring, ay, buy some more. Let me bring.
No.
Po! Ito na siya lahat.
Daddy, can I try something?
What?
Actually, my mouth is
No, enough.
that far.
You dip inside.
So, second serving ni Bunso.
Yeah, that's not something because
Slowly. You never get the hot dog. You get for you.
in the hot dog.
Yan. Second serving ni
I
Bunso.
like hot dog.
Is it masarap?
You bring your noodles here.
So, ito na yung sa amin. Naubos na. Tapos
Okay.
na kumain. Si Daddy rin
Enough
tapos
already?
na.